Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at CVS. On my first account, I did 3 separate transactions. I'm going to go ahead and show you every transaction separately and then explain to you at the end how much my final cost after extra bucks and beauty bucks back and cash back that I got back on Ibotta. My first transaction I did was the Suave, the Dove, the Waterless, the Revlon, CoverGirl, Paparazzi, and Snuggle. So all this right here. Suave this week are priced at 2 for $6. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. I had 2 $1 off of Suave shampoo or conditioner app only coupons. So that took off $5, bringing my total to $1. But then I also had a $3 off of 2 digital manufacturer coupon that glitched and came off too, giving me $2 overage. The Dove this week are 2 for $8. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. I had a $2 off of Dove shampoo, conditioner, or styling CRT. And then I had a $3 off of 2 Dove instant coupon that printed for everybody on Sunday. That took off $8, making the Dove free. I wanted to use a $3 off of 18 hair care CRT, so I picked up the Waterless. This one is priced at $7.99 in my store. I had a $5 off of a Waterless product. Brought my total to $2.99. Total for all of the hair care is $21.99. I had $24 in coupons come off, making the hair care a $2.01 money maker. And all of that does count towards beauty as well. Next deal I did was the CoverGirl. I picked up 2 at $7.29. I did plan to pick up 2 of the brow pencils for $6.29, but my store was out. 2 for $7.29 brought my total to $14.58. I used a $3 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, a $3 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, and then I had a $2 off of 10 CoverGirl CRT. Took off $8, brought my total to $6.58. When you buy 2 CoverGirls this week, you get a $6 extra care buck, making both of these 58 cents. Next deal I did was the Revlon. I picked up a foundation for $11.79. I picked up a concealer for $10.49. Brought my total to $22.28. This week Revlon is spend 10 get 4. I used a $4 off Revlon face manufacturer coupon. I used a $4 off of a Revlon foundation manufacturer coupon. And then I had a $6 off of 20 Revlon CRT. My total was $22.28. It took off $14. It brought my total to $8.28. And since I spent over $20, I got back an $8 extra care buck, making the Revlon 28 cents for both, or 14 cents each. And that counts towards beauty as well. Next, I picked up the Paparazzi. They are 2 for $5 this week. Buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck. I had a $1 off of 5 Paparazzi CRT. Brought my total down to $4, and then I got $4 back, making these free. Snuggle this week are buy 1 get 1 free. I picked up one at $5.99. The second one was $5.59. I would have gotten 2 of these, but my store only had 1, and I like this one better than I like that one. So I did pay the $5.99. I had a $2 off of 2 Snuggle CRT. Then I used a 50-cent manufacturer coupon off of a Snuggle product. That brought my total for the 2 Snuggle to $3.49, or $1.74 each. There's the receipt. There's the Suave 2 for $6. The Dove 2 for $8. The Snuggle, one was $5.99, one was $5.59. Paparazzi are 2 for $5. CoverGirl at $7.29. $7.29. Revlon. This is a concealer for $10.49. Foundation for $11.79, and then the Waterless dry shampoo for $7.99. $4 off of Revlon. $4 off of Revlon. $3 off of Suave, $3 off of CoverGirl, $3 off of CoverGirl, and then $3 off of the 2 Dove. And here's where the Suave Digital glitched and came off. Here are all my CRTs, 6 off of 20, $5 off the Waterless, $3 off the hair care, $3 off of the 2 Dove Instant that everybody got, $2 off of 2 Snuggle, $2 off of 10 CoverGirl, and then here are the $1 app only coupons for the Suave, and the $1 off of 5 Paparazzi. I wrote $18 in extra care bucks. My subtotal was $5.84. I paid that plus tax. I did get back 4 for the Paparazzi, 6 for the CoverGirl, and then I got back 8 for the Revlon. So I rolled 18 and got 18 back, but again, I did pay the $5.84 plus tax. The second transaction I picked up was the Maybelline. This week they are buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck, and you can do the deal up to 3 times. There's also a promotion for spend 30, get a free beauty bag. My store didn't have the beauty bag, so I wasn't able to get it, but I did have a $10 off of 35 Maybelline Cosmetic CRT, so I did get my total over $35. The Maybelline mascara was $7.49. I used a $2 printable coupon that I printed off of the website. The concealer was $10.99. I had a $3 CRT off of this concealer, and then I used a $2 manufacturer paper coupon that I printed from the website as well. Took off $5, brought my total to $5.99 for the concealer. The foundation was priced at $8.49 in my store. I had a $4 off of a Maybelline foundation CRT, brought my total down to $4.49. I picked up 3 of the eyeshadows priced at $4.29 in my store. I didn't have any coupons for the eyeshadow. Total for all 6 items was $39.84. I had $21 in coupons and CRTs, brought my total down to $18.84, and I got back a $15 extra care buck. This is over $30, so I will get a $3 beauty buck back, making all of these items 84 cents. There's the Maybelline concealer for $10.99, the Fit Me foundation for $8.49, the mascara for $7.49, and then the 3 eyeshadows for $4.29. Here are the two $2 manufacturer coupons that I printed from the website. $10 off of 35 CRT, $4 off of a Maybelline foundation, and then $3 off the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I rolled $18 in extra care bucks, and then I paid 84 cents plus tax out of pocket. And then here's the CoverGirl, buy 2 get 5. I bought 6, so I got 15 extra care bucks back. Last transaction that I did was the spend 30 get a $10 extra care buck. I got all laundry products. I picked up a Tide Pod for $4.94. I had a $2 paper manufacturer coupon, brought my total down to $2.94. Another Tide Pod for $4.94. I had a $2 digital, brought my total to $2.94. I picked up the large Tide Pods for $11.94. I had a $3 manufacturer coupon, brought it to $8.94. Persil this week is priced at $5.99. We got a $2 manufacturer coupon that came out in the Sunday's paper. It brought it down to $3.99. Then the Gain Flings are included also, priced at $4.94, and we have a $1 manufacturer coupon. My total for all of these items was $32.75. I had $10 in manufacturer coupons come off, brought my total down to $22.75, and then I got a $10 extra care buck back. Here's the receipt. The large Tide Pods on sale for $11.94, Persil for $5.99, Gain Flings for $4.94, and then the smaller Tide Pods for $4.94 each. Here's for the $1 for the Gain Flings, $2 for the Tide Pods, $3 for the large Tide Pods, $2 for the Persil, and then the $2 digital for the Tide. I rolled $18 in extra care bucks. I paid $4.75 plus tax out of pocket. And then I did get the $10 in extra care bucks back. When I was cashing out, my P&G coupons weren't attaching to the correct products. So when she scanned my large Tide, the coupon said no product purchased, and then the Gain Flings one also didn't work. I asked her if she could void it and then rescan a product so I can hand her the coupon for the product after she scanned each one. She told me no, she wasn't going to do that. So I politely asked her, I just said, okay, can you just void it and I'll do it myself at the self-checkout. She called the other manager over and he said, if it doesn't scan, I'm not going to take it. So I just said politely again, okay, can you just void it and I'll do it myself. So he got offended and he's like, I'll just do it at the next register and show you that it's not going to scan and I'm not going to take it. So I said, okay. So he scanned a product and I gave him the coupon and it worked. I did it for all of them. They all worked, and then the $2 digital came off also. And then he got super nice and he apologized and he said that people are misusing coupons and he doesn't want to get in trouble and he's getting calls from loss prevention. And I knew I wasn't doing anything wrong. So if you know you're doing something right and they have the self-checkout and you're able to do the self-checkout to avoid any problems, just ask them to void it and you can do it yourself. And just scan the product and scan the coupon and they should all come off just fine. Looking at the final cost for everything, all of my transaction subtotal came out to $11.43. I started with $21 in extra care bucks. I took the $21 in extra care bucks plus all the subtotals that I had paid out of pocket, brought me to $32.43. I had a total of $103.69 in beauty, From the previous week, I was already at $29.71. Brought me to an overall total of $133.40 in beauty from this week and last week. That'll get me a $12 beauty buck. So I ended with $10 in extra care bucks, plus a $12 beauty buck will bring me to $22. I got back $2 for the Maybelline foundation on Ibotta. I got back $1 for the Maybelline mascara on Ibotta, and then I got back 10 cents for any brand mascara. That gave me back $3.10. So I took the $32.43 minus the $22 I got back, the $3 I got back on Ibotta. That brings me to a final cost of $7.33 for all of these items, or about 30 cents each. I pick up all the beauty to get the beauty bucks to help me pay for the things that I actually want and I need. If I had just did the spend 30 get 10, it would have cost me about $12.75 after getting back the $10 in extra care bucks. So getting all the beauty helped me drop that price to $7.33, not just for the laundry care, but for everything. That brings me to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you get to make your way out to CVS and get some deals, and I'll see you guys in the next one.